In this video, I will show you how to use the deep research feature in NotebookLM to gather and analyze comprehensive information on any topic. Let's get started. I start on the NotebookLM homepage and click Create New to begin a fresh project. Once the new notebook loads, I open the source selection menu, select Web, and then choose Deep Research for a more thorough search. I type my topic, NotebookLM, into the field and click the arrow to start the process. On the left sidebar, the tool begins a multi-step process of planning and researching. Deep research is a powerful feature that meticulously explores the web to find the most credible and detailed sources available. As it moves through its 5 automated steps, it gathers dozens of relevant links and begins synthesizing that data into a grounded knowledge base. This takes the heavy lifting out of research, as the AI handles the complex task of finding and filtering information for me. It analyzes results across the web to ensure that every insight generated is backed by high-quality data. Once the analysis is finished, I click View to see the source discovery page and then hit Import to add all 38 discovered sources to my project. I then use the chat to ask about the differences between the various NotebookLM plans. The AI explains that the free plan is designed for casual researchers, while the Pro and Ultra tiers offer significantly more storage, higher query limits, and exclusive perks like cinematic video generation. This summary provides a clear, organized comparison based entirely on the research documents. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.